All right, here's a little more data on the euro pound system. We've been trading it, whether demo or live, through Nadex since I think it's May of 2016. So all this data is based on that. This data also that you see here is based strictly on a $57 entry. So it has to fill at $57 or it's not listed. So the euro pound trades every single day, but it doesn't necessarily fill every single day. You know, Nadex is 10 pip increments, and sometimes it's difficult to fill and so forth. So the stats that you see are only based on $57 actual fills on Nadex. Now, you need to not look at this all box. The reason for that is, and it's off the screen here, but that includes Thursdays and Fridays. And Thursdays and Fridays, as I mentioned, we do not trade because the percentages are not there. So if you add these three up, 68, 69, 66, it's actually obviously higher than 65.9. So it's probably in that 60, upper 67, 68. I didn't do the numbers, but right around there. And again, that's based on $57. So if you're getting 68% winners or 67% winners on something that costs you $57, you're doing well. Now, unlike the Euro US dollar system, that's in a different video, these are actual fills based on actual strikes. So even if the system itself loses, for example, we may have a trade where it's, you know, ideally it's in the money, you want to buy it, but it goes against us, but our strike was, you know, seven pips in the money, and it only went against the system itself by, say, 4 pips. We would win the trade even though the system itself was a loss. So I don't have the data here in front of me for the system itself. This is strictly based on actual trades traded on Nadex. Here's a good example of what I'm talking about. September 17th, 2019. It was a down day, so it was a call trade. The strike was 88.52. The indicative at 12 o'clock, that's 12 noon Eastern time, was 88.55.8. So we are about 3.8 pips in the money. This particular trade went actually down 2.3 pips from 12 o'clock. So it went down about 2.3 pips. So if you see over here, it actually lost based on the system. However, we won on Nadex by 1.5 pips for it. So, and then this best R here is the lowest price that it got down to. So if you had $39 working order, you could have filled at $39 instead of $57 as well. And obviously you're never going to know that ahead of time, but that's that. So that is a bit of the statistics for the euro pound system. Again, it's a Monday through Wednesday system. Trades potentially every day, but you're not going to get a fill every single day. And hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. Also look for my other videos, and if you're interested in a 90% win rate system, make sure you contact me, and I'll give you the details on that one. Take care.